Hey, good morning. Eamon here, Infrared Heating Ireland. Today we're in Dublin 10 here, and we are upgrading this client's heating system from gas to infrared panels. Why is the client installing our panels? Well, they're future-proofing their house. They want to go with electric. We can go in here today and fully fit out the complete house, 3 bedrooms upstairs and a kitchen living downstairs with bathroom and a hallway in one day with our infrared panels. So let me just take you inside and just show you what we're doing with our panels. So we've the panels left into place here. So for example, the hallway here, we'll put a panel sitting along here, and that will radiate the heat down into the room. We've another one here that we'll remove that center light and put the panel on the ceiling here. Then we move into the main living area, so we'll put a panel here on the ceiling here in the front sitting room, and then we've 2 more panels, one here in the living and one in the kitchen down the back. So I'll just move upstairs and just show you what's happening. So these panels, no maintenance, easy install. They put an instant heat in the room. They're all controlled with our IR sun regulator. So the guys are busy there just getting up in the attic to get the cables down. But we've 3 bedrooms up here as well that will install a panel in each room. And then we'll use our IR sun regulator, which will regulate the energy, improving energy consumption. So these have a 15-year guarantee. They're maintenance free, there's no moving parts. And once the system goes in, there's no other cost to the client. So customer will be more than happy with this system. For more information, do check out our website, infraredheat.ie.